So now I am explaining a equation of tangent to the circle here, and it is mainly important for the JEE, CET and other competitive exam. So therefore the formulas are very important here. Equation of tangent to the circle. I am explaining that theorem here. But a theorem is not important, but that formula is important here. Okay? Very simple theorem is that. Consider this is a circle here. This equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. And if this is a circle, then obviously center is a minus 3 minus f here. And p into bracket x1 y1. It is a point lies on this circle here. That's why we can replace x by x1 and y by y1 here. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g into x1 plus 2f into y1 plus c is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 2 here. Okay. Let the PB be the tangent to the circle at the point P here. Okay. Let the PB be the tangent to the circle 1. To the circle 1 at the point P here. At the point P. Okay. Now, what are slope of CP here? Slope of CP is given by. Here you know both the coordinates here. If you know the 2 points here, then the slope of the line passing through those 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. Therefore, y1 minus of minus f here. So y1 minus of minus f divided by x1 minus of minus c. x1 minus of minus g. Minus this minus become plus, minus and this minus become plus here. So y1 plus f divided by x1 plus g. Okay. So this is a slope of CP. Then PP is a perpendicular to the radius here. PP is a tangent here. Both are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, slope of PB here. Slope of PB is equal to, they are perpendicular to each other. Then take its a reciprocal, multiply minus area. So minus of y1, sorry, take its a reciprocal here. So x1 plus g divided by y1 plus f here. Okay. So you know this condition here. Product of slope is minus 1 here. Then only two lines are perpendicular to each other. As m2 is equal to what here? Minus 1 divided by m1. You are using this condition here. I am taking reciprocal multiplied by minus area. Okay. This gives the slope of PB here. Therefore, equation of tangent at the point of P is given by. Therefore, equation of tangent at P is y minus y1 is equal to slope of this again. So minus of x1 plus g divided by y1 plus f into x minus of x1 here. Okay, you are using this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. This is the formula. Okay, because This is a tangent here. Tangent passing to the point x1, y1. So y minus y1 is there. And the slope of this tangent here. Slope of PB is this here. Means m. Okay. So m is there. So m is this here. Minus of x1 plus g divided by y1 plus f into this x minus x1. Take y1 plus f this side here. Cross multiply. So y minus y1 into y1 plus f here is equal to minus of x1 plus z into x minus x1 here, x minus of x1, just cross multiply. Then multiply these terms here. Y into y1 is y1 here. Then here y into fy plus fy here, minus y1 into y1, minus of y1 square, y1 into f, minus of f y1 here, minus of f y1 is equal to minus, multiply these terms here, x1 into x becomes x1, x1 into x1 minus of x1 square plus g into x becomes gx here, gx minus of gx1, gx1. Take a minus inside the bracket here. So y1 here plus fy minus of y1 square minus of fy1 is equal to, take a minus inside here, minus of x1 plus x1 square minus of gx plus gx1 here plus gx1. Okay, take a minus inside here, minus x1 minus into minus plus x1 square minus into plus minus gx minus into minus becomes plus gx1 here. Okay, now take a negative term that side here, right side negative term, left side, right hand side negative term, left side here. Okay, so just a minute here, right side negative term take left hand side, and left hand side negative term take right side here. Okay, therefore minus x1 is take left hand side here, it becomes plus x1. Then y1 is there, so right here y1. Then take minus gx here plus gx, then fy is there, so right here fy is equal to x1 square is there, so right here x1 square, take a minus y1 square right hand side here plus y1 square, then gx1, so right here plus gx1 here, take fy1 this side here plus fy1 plus fy1 plus fy1. Okay, take these two negative term left side and take these two negative term right side here. You get this equation. Then adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides here, on both sides. Therefore x1 plus y1 plus gx plus fy, left side term right as it is here. Then adding these terms here, so plus gx1 here plus fy1 plus c is equal to, adding the same term in the right side also, x1 square plus y1 square, x1 square plus y1 square here. Then gx1 plus gx1 becomes 2gx1, 2gx1 plus fy1 plus fy1 becomes 2fy1 here, 2fy1 plus c. Okay, add a same term in the RHS also. X1 square plus y1 square. Then gx1 plus gx1 becomes 2gx1. Fy1 plus fy1 becomes 2fy1, and a plus c is there. That is plus c. And you know that from the equation 12. So this is not a 0. Yes, so this right side becomes a 0. Complete this right side becomes 0 from equation number 12. Then left hand terms here x1 and y1 is there. So x1 plus y1 here. From this term and this term, g is the common factor. So g into bracket x plus x1 here. Then plus. Then here and here, f is the common factor here. So f keep outside here. Y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent to the circle at x1 here, which is equation of tangent, which is equation of tangent to the circle 1. At the point x1 I1 x1 at this point this is a tangent here. Equation of a tangent is this here. Okay. So it is a very simple method to remember this formula here. Okay, so this is equation of circle here. In this equation of circle, just replace x square by x1 and replace y square by y1 here. Okay, so replace x square by x1, y square by y1. Then x by x plus x1 divided by 2 and y by y plus y1 divided by 2 in the equation 1 here. We get a equation of tangent here. At x1 y1 here. It is a very simple method to remember this formula. Just replace x square by x1 here. I get this one. Replacing y square by y1. Then 2 into g here. Replace this x by x plus x1 by 2. This 2 cancels here. We get this result. Then 2 f into y is here. Replace y by y plus y1 by 2. This 2 cancels, so we get f into y plus y1 and a plus c here. This is a plus c, that as it is. This gives the equation of tangent to the circle of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Similarly, equation of tangent to the circle of x square plus y square is equal to a square at x1 y1 is even here also replace x square by x1 here, replacing y square by y1 and right side a square is there, a square keep as it is. So this is the equation of tangent to this circle at the point x1 y1. Okay. So conditions so that the line y equal to mx plus c may be tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Means at what condition the line y equal to mx plus c tangent to this circle here? We find that condition here. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Take equation number 1 be the equation of a circle here. Be the equation of circle. Let x1 comma y1 be a point lies on 1 here. Consider this is a point here. x1 y1 point lies on the circle. So replace x by x1 and y by y1 here. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. Take equation number 2 here. Okay. Then consider this line is a tangent to this circle here. Consider the line y is equal to mx plus c, that is the same line can be written in this form also, mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. The same equation can be written in this form also. Consider this line is tangent to the circle 1. At the point x1 y1 here. This is a line here tangent to the circle at x1 y1. But you know equation of tangent is equation of tangent to the circle 1 at the point so x1 y1 is replace x by x1 and y by y1 here. x1 plus y by 1 is equal to a square. This is the equation of tangent to the circle at the point x1 y1. Replacing x square by x1 and y square by y by 1 here. Then take this a square left side here. So x1 plus y y1 minus of a square is equal to 0. Take equation number 3. So therefore this line and this line both are tangent here. Consider this one as a 3. Okay. And this one as a 4. Consider this one as a 4 here. So both are tangent at the same point here, x1 y1. Therefore both represent the same line here. Okay. So 3 and 4. Represents the same line. Because at one point only one tangent you can draw here, not more than one here. Therefore this is a tangent to the circle at the point x1. Even this is also tangent to the same circle at the point x1. Means the points are same here, hence lines are same here. Both represents the same line here. If both represents the same line, then their coefficients are proportional here. Therefore x coefficient is m here, x coefficient is x1. So m divided by x1 here is equal to, here y coefficient is a minus 1, here y coefficient is y1. So minus 1 divided by y1 is equal to, here constant is a c and here constant is a minus of a square here. So c divided by minus a square. Minus a square. Therefore taking first and last ratio here. Okay. Cross multiply. Therefore here m take a square to numerator, c to denominator. m into a square minus of m a square divided by this c is equal to x1 here. Take x1 taking first and last HCM. Take x1 this side minus a square to numerator, c to denominator here. Therefore x1 is equal to this. And taking last two ratios here. Taking this two, again take y1 this side, this term this side, c to denominator. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. Therefore a square by c. So a square divided by c is equal to y1 here. Is equal to y1. Okay. Therefore x1 y1 here. x1 comma y1 is equal to minus m a square divided by c comma a square divided by c. Now substitute x1 and y1 in the equation 2. Therefore equation 2 becomes here x1 square is there, x1 is this here. Therefore m square a raised to 4 divided by c square, then plus 1. Next y1 square here, this is square, so a raised to 4 divided by c square is equal to a square, Next we can take a raised to 4 by c square common factor here. A raised to 4 divided by c square is the common, then remaining is m square plus 1 is equal to a square. Then a square and a square cancel, take a c square, that's it here. So a square into bracket m square plus 1 is equal to c square. Here a square and a square cancels, take a c square, that's it here. So a square into m square plus 1 into c square. Therefore so c square is equal to a square into bracket m square plus 1 here. This is the condition here. If this condition is satisfied here, then only this line is tangential to this circle here. Okay, this is an important condition. So you can use that c value here. Okay, therefore write here note. From above equation, above result, we have, so c is equal to plus or minus a into root of m square plus 1 a. Take a square right side here. So plus or minus root of a square is a into root of m square plus 1. So use this c here. Okay, yeah. Therefore y is equal to mx plus or minus a into root of m square plus 1 always represents equations of tangents here. Equations of tangents to the circle 1. At the point minus m a square by c, minus of m a square divided by c and a square upon c. So tangent at that point here, minus m a square by c comma a square divided by c.